Eucal Francis. So the most I can say is that at about 2 a.m. This morning, unknown assailants came through a back fence to a premises number 4 Gold Street to be exact, and went into a dwelling house and opened gunfire at a young man who was lying in his bed. That young man was rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead. His identity is Ronaldo Brown. Not so certain of his age at this point in time, but what I know is that he's a Ronaldo Brown from a number 4 Gold Street. So the scene was processed, and at about 6 the police was also called to another shooting at the same number 4 Gold Street. A young man was seen suffering from gunshot wounds. He was also rushed to KPH. Luckily, that young man is still with us and he's undergoing treatment at this point in time. Based on reports from the medical staff there, his condition is stable at this point in time, and so we are hoping for the best where he's concerned. So what we are picking up, because in recent times there's a bit of tension down in this space, and is as a result of an internal gang feud that is taking place. Our investigation is pointing to members of the gang who would have been displaced or defected somehow, and so we are conducting our investigation surrounding a number of persons. Of course, the investigation is still in its embryonic stage, but we will be very rigorous in our pursuit of individuals who might have been able to assist us with the investigation in these matters. The challenge that we are facing is that because of the fact that it's really an internal feuding that is going on, persons who used to be neighbors, persons who know the ins and outs of the area, they can use trappies and trucks and enter the premises and commit these acts.